They want to get beef on Starbet like bro. What? Starbet like bro. They want to go. Pese beef on Starbet like bro. Nim for me big again ma. What? Now I'm calling my. They want to get now my fumo. Get to a fumo. All that money I usually stealing. I want to get all money back.
When I cash out Nikon Boo called Joseph Smith, he gonna what the hell that Nikon Boo took my phone and where he gone? Joseph Smith. But why the young man took my phone? My young man, Joseph Smith.
Yeah, come on.
What you doing when you're now with my phone? My job been passing around looking for you.
Oh my shout out you.
And shout out to you, mommy. Get you behind from the plane. Why you doing with my goddamn phone?
Come on, today I'm giving you phone. Today I'm doing crazy pay for Starbet like bro.
You listen to me?
Yeah, man.
What you try to say? I'm crazy, right?
No, man, I'm doing crazy.
And what you mean?
I said I'm doing crazy bets for Starbet like bro.
Oh, you doing crazy bear for Starbet like bro?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, explain the what you call crazy bear, yeah, man, cha.
Come on, the penny my better day. One win all that money. And I think crazy better day for Starbet like bro.
Oh, that time why you win a little big up, huh?
Yeah.
And now why you doing that, man, cha?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, but can't why you know do some crazy little bet?
And oh my, guess what?
Why, man, cha?
Starbet like bro say. All that upload when you post a video, all that bro can be seeing all your fan. But you go your fan, when you see your video. Starbet like bro say, they want do crazy bet video and post it. When they post it, they want tag Starbet like bro and tag Comfort. The person who will get a higher figure and higher leg will win some beef on Starbet like bro.
So those people who are the call man over
yeah.
When they do some crazy little bear for Starbet like bro. With the post it, no tag me, no tag Starbet. So those who get a little higher leg and a higher view, no win some big price for Starbet.
Yeah,
I can't let me do little crazy bear too.
Yeah, Oma. We have no money.
But I love those Starbet because the last time I do some crazy bear too, I win little couple.
Yeah. We are part of that.
What Joseph Smith? You touching all of him, my child. Can you love my hand from here? You nigga poo. Because anytime I want to do my little bear for Starbet, like bro, you keep smiling. You want to be doing some bear for you to be stealing my car, I'm doing a little crazy bear for Starbet, like bro, my child. And when I win, I ain't giving you a little behind or drink on thing. Wait, my child. Because I got another big information for you. Oh, yeah. You know, go on my page and click on the link that you want to see on my page. Because when you click on that link, it's going to take you straight to Starbet Liberia betting process. And if you go to bet, you make sure you use my promo code. And my promo code is BOO. And it all in capital letter BULL in capital letter. Because if you use my promo code BOO and place your little bet, my child, you're going to get 100% discount. Because you know when you use my promo code BOO, you don't win beef on Starbet like bro. So while you waiting for my child, you better go and use my promo code BULL in capital letter and win something beef on Starbet.